Take a ride in the 2020 Fusion. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, heated front seats, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, compass. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.